Remember, an abuser's intent is to compromise our children's healthy development. If he can keep or she can keep them in a place where they're not developing into securely attached, competent young people, then they can more readily be controlled. As we know, children by the age of 8 have probably been in some way exposed to pornography. If you start to implement these kinds of parameters now in their world, then it's not going to be hard to do when they're tweens and teens. There are people in the world who want to harm children. Listen, they've always known cell phones were bad for our children, but they didn't tell us, right? Because there were a lot of people making money. So it's kind of like always this story where there's a way to profit and then we capitalize on it and then we harm people and then maybe later on back up and try to make up for it when it's already the damage is being done and it's really hard to change or shift because the abuser is going to do whatever they can to coerce and control your child into being convinced that there's something wrong with you for having certain parameters. I am really trying to elevate this conversation about how abusers diminish our children's agency, their freedom, their ability to be authentically themselves. And in that, it causes such harm. And we can counteract that.